We often hear that oil and natural gas are finite resources. Some even believe that in just a few years, oil will be completely depleted. Well, maybe it's time to stop looking down and start looking up. Yes, into space. There are planets made of diamond, some with clouds made of glass. And could there be a planet made entirely of oil? Good news! Many chemical substances similar to oil and gas are scattered across giant gas planets and their moons, such as Jupiter and Saturn. For example, there are large lakes full of these chemicals, and some even believe the mass of these substances is tens of times greater than the total amount of fossil fuel reserves on Earth. Amazing, right? But these places are far away. So, how do scientists know what's out there? Especially, how do they know there's oil? Well, scientists use radar. They send waves to outer space objects, allowing them to detect what's there. For example, when exploring these planets, satellites equipped with advanced tools can study the environment and analyze the composition of the lakes on their surfaces. However, even though we know there are potential fuel sources out there, actually accessing them is still complicated. First, the cost is astronomical. Launching a rocket costs tens of times more than drilling a single well. Not to mention, even after the material's collected, it still needs to be processed. While these chemicals have various uses that could replace oil and gas, such as electricity generation, alternative fuel, and plastic production, getting them remains a challenge. On Earth, engineers find oil by sending vibrations into the ground and analyzing the reflected waves. It's similar to how doctors use ultrasounds to check a baby's health in the womb, allowing us to see the layers beneath the surface. This technology provides clues to the existence of oil and gas reserves underground. Our methods of finding oil continue to improve. For example, this project has identified new potential sources of oil and gas, allowing us to reduce our reliance on conventional oil. But as we know, these processes contribute significantly to greenhouse gas emissions. To tackle this, there's technology that captures greenhouse gases before they're released into the atmosphere. The captured gases are then stored underground. In some cases, we can even transform these gases into everyday products. So, while we can't yet extract oil from space to meet our energy needs in a cleaner way, we can continue to improve energy efficiency and sustainability on Earth. In Indonesia, for example, companies are working to make their operations more efficient and eco-friendly. This is just part of a program that ensures energy sovereignty for all of us. Perhaps one day we'll enjoy vehicles powered by fuel from space. Thank you for watching.